Tripura Revenue Minister N.C. Devarma assures of necessary assistance from Tripura government in building Manipur guest house in Tripura. High Court of Manipur grants bail to jailed founder of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, P.H. Landhoni, and her daughter, P.H. Romita. And MPCC criticizes ruling party MLAs, demands special assembly session to resolve on protection of Manipur from threat by outcome of Naga peace talks. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Wednesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. Revenue Minister of Tripura N.C. Devarma has assured that the Tripura government will extend necessary assistance to the government of Manipur, including construction of Manipur guest house in Tripura. N.C. Devarma stated the same in a media interaction organized by Umanglai Kanba Apunba Lok Ukal at Manipur Press Club today. The Tripura minister maintained that Manipur and Tripura have maintained close and cordial relations since the era of kings, stating that there are around 200 Meitei villages in Tripura at present. Devarma maintained that Meitei communities' Lai Harawa festival is even included in state festivals of Tripura. He also mentioned that a particular road in Tripura's capital city, Agartala, is named after a Meitei deity, Puthiba. He assured that the Tripura government will extend necessary assistance from time to time to the state government to further strengthen the close ties existing between the two states. Taking part in the press meet, Ukal President M. Maniton appealed to the state government to provide necessary assistance to Manipuri diasporas in Tripura. He further appealed to construct a Manipur guest house in Tripura for the convenience of people from Manipur visiting Tripura state.
Manipur and Tripura having very cordial, close relationship for the centuries together, right from the immemorial and princely rule independent state.
Tripurada tariba tongan tongana khun chani mukta tariba maitai sing ase masagi manat shaktam ngakna khoi hingnana bo honabada khoi punamak mateng pangbiu.
Manipur and Tripura.
High Court of Manipur released jail founder of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, P.H. Landhoni, and her daughter, P.H. Romita, on bail today. State police arrested the mother-daughter duo in connection with the mysterious death of a girl student of the school. Court announced a bail grant at around 10:30 this morning. The High Court bench of Justice M.V. Muralidharan reserved the bail order after thorough hearing on the bail plea yesterday. Learned counsel of Landhoni and Romita, senior advocate N. Jotendro, advocate Syed Mutarza Ahmed, and advocate M. Gunendhor prayed for the bail plea to the justice. After listening to both sides, Justice M.V. Muralidharan granted the bail. The court also issued an order to hand over the case to the CBI within 2 weeks. High Court of Manipur further ordered Landhoni and Romita to seek its permission if they have to travel abroad to complete the investigation. The court also ordered them to pay 1 lakh rupees each to Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West as a surety bond. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC has condemned that some MLAs of the ruling party have failed to attend the meeting called by the state government to discuss on prevailing issues including threats to territorial integrity of Manipur by final settlement of Naga peace talks. MPCC drew the attention of Chief Minister Nongthom Biren and Speaker Yumnam Khemchan to call for a special assembly session at the earliest to take resolutions against disintegration of Manipur. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan today, MPCC Vice President T. Mangi Babu said that the Congress party welcomes the conclusion of Naga peace talks. However, the final settlement should not disintegrate Manipur. Asserting that Congress party will not compromise the state's integrity in any manner, T. Mangi Babu urged all the political parties of the state to set aside differences and unite for a peaceful state.
ruling oiriba coalition government asigi legislature gi meeting ama tobu matamda mi kundagi hena tinde MLA kundagi hena tinde MLA tranga wali habase masi yam laibak thiba mane hojikti ekhoi punamakse khoi gi atei thabuk punamak ekhoi tokthoga masi de pung chap chana khodi yungaga kari kaira kada ge se khoi mi kupna hom sinda legedo mutamni hari aduna yaring kai khoina hajaning base ruling da lebiri basing masi khitang thawa yakhut piu ekhoi kari umam ta khoi nathai dan sacharoi hoi da cooperation full cooperation pijage aduga hojik leiriba manipur gi khudong thinangai oiraba asingma matam masida ma magi angamba thakta thabuk tongnari hererga lebak se kandna chitna karimta kaidan laiba ekhoi gi state se masi mapung phana khoi kalhoraga nungai na leisi.
Taking part in the press meet, MPCC spokesperson N. Mangi expressed his desire for Chief Minister Nongthom Birane to take stringent measures like the former Chief Minister Okrami Bobby, who banned NSA and IM leader T.H. Muiba from entering Manipur. He stressed the need to convene an emergency assembly session to identify MLAs who are willing to protect Manipur from those who are not.
Assembly special session lama kauraga Manipur gi apun ba saktam je ngak pa pamdaba humfu gi manung da kana yauri ga ido amuktang di prajana khangthuk ninge kokomina tarik manga da gina numit tarani gi magi seri joko ekhoi gi program law thokre lurba tanja si da commercial industry department na Manipur international akhoi gi textile expo mela tokra leire akhoi si da di law and order di aruba phibam oire hujimak assembly.
People carried out mass alert meets under the initiative of COCOMI against disintegration of Manipur by the final settlement of Naga peace talks unabated in the state today. Drivers of the state that took part in the sit-in staged by protest transporters and drivers council at Keshampat Laimajam Laikai Community Hall. Speaking on the sidelines, Vice President of the Council, Kwairakpam Ibotombi, warned that drivers will even cease transport operation in and outside the state if situation demands. He urged both the centre and the state government to act according to public's interest. Leaders of COCOMI stressed on the peace talks at the protest meet.
Ekoi Manipur Kaibiaroi, Ichinau, Zati, Kaibiaroi, Zamnung Sinapan se. Aduna government na basi kaida na basi biro long live Manipur.
India government tabi daga koi na log tori pa kare patudagi handok kituna Manipur kaida na basi biu kari ko koi na koi ki wa section me ko masa koi pidatuna koi na gammi mata ko na lawrak patara gadi koi transport and driver council na ti disina palam dagi pusillam ni pa na Manipur yam dam sa chali pa no magi darkar lai pa puding mak service piri pa kari wala koi na ti disina loro pa puding mak sa total payai amagi warning abasu ngasi ka lenga magi na kong
Members of Yeshkul Apunba Mairapaibi and YVO have also jointly staged public alert meet under the banner of COCOMI against disintegration of Manipur by the finalization of Naga peace talks. Taking part in the sit-in stage at Yeshkul Hiruhan Balaikai today, Secretary of Yeshkul Apunba Mairapaibi criticized Chief Minister Nongthom Birane for failing to give a definite response on the issue.
Laibaki mapi pa oriba CM nadi laibaki miyam sa karimata pakhatpa khokatpa kaimda tawbiganu hairi aduda kamana pakhloi dabno haibadi akhoi yamne ingna signal laibak group kayana khundari bam phom masida ngasi pothabong khangdana jarak chahing naiba thogdong mayam ama seisina akhoi karamna ingna leiba ngamgadage haibadi paramilitary mayam ama thomjal aiba sigi wahan thoksina karino loinana CM na Manipur gi integrity kaiba yaroi hai ai amuksu khangdi hai khangdaba mana ka ie integrity kaiba yaroi haibagi aiba seron pirakhiba leirabra masi akhoi laibak mayam gi mamangda
Members of Top Dasera Lamjingbi, VLF and coordinating body CRI also extended solidarity to COCOMI by holding a protest meet at Top Awang Laikai today. Taking part in the protest meet, executive member of the coordinating body CRI, T.H. Bon CRI, urged people to stay away from festivities and gear up to protect Manipur. Members of Narim Development Council, Narim Apunba Meirapaibi, and the Educated Unemployment Youth Auto Rickshaw Organization Cooperative Society also jointly staged protest meet at Narim Mayai Panthoibi Market in Bishnupur district today against disintegration of Manipur by the outcome of Naga peace talks. Members of Langthabal Kunja Mayai Laikai Meirapaibi Lub carried out protest demonstration against yesterday's bomb blast by unknown miscreants at Thangal Market. Taking part in the protest meet staged at Langthabal Kunja Bazaar in Kanchipur, Meirapaibi Y Tampa strongly condemned the incident amid apprehension of impending threat to state's integrity by the final settlement of Naga peace talks. She appealed to whoever concerned not to repeat such irresponsible act again in future.
Manipur da leiba praja miyam amadi makhoi khudimak solakpaju ekhoi gi chang ngaktani ekhoi gi su ngaktani tungi yumbiren ngaktani sigumba mirakta bom pokhaiba amadi mibu sohanba khudingmaga se sarkarna daita lobiraga khudakta lephanaba mi amaga shanti oina puraknaba nungsi hananaba maruena Manipur gi integrity soktanabagi pandam sida Manipur gi khunaida amaga yengthinariba haibadi sagai jat masen manadabagi nagagi manadabagi kuki gi manadabagi homeland tanbagi masi puna maksi tokhai bire haireraga ekhoi amata
Women Action for Development (WAD) has also strongly condemned the recent bomb blast in the state. WAD in a press release has condemned yesterday's bomb blast at Thangal Bazaar and Tamilong, at Telepati on November 2nd, in Moreh on October 5th, at the Office of Subsidiary Intelligence Bureau on October 7th, and at the Office of Kuki Student Organization on October 11th. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Chingmi Tami Ningol Chakoba, organized by Mao Imphal Market Coordination Committee. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Wednesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. Mao Imphal Market Coordination Committee organized Chingmi Tami Ningol Chakoba today. Women of Mao attending the event brought a tenpot comprising of assorted fresh seasonal vegetables. Some podiums on Ningol Chakoba meal and presentation of gifts were the main highlights of the event. Taking part in the celebration held at Narimthong Laishram Khule Laikai Development Committee Hall, committee convener KH Athoba asserted that the committee will set up a standby market with storage facility at a suitable location on Nambul River bank until the government opens a temporary Mao market in Imphal city. He expressed happiness that mobile Mao market sale organized at various parts of Imphal city since July 3, 2015 has strengthened ties between hills and valley residents. It may be mentioned that Mao villages were banned from selling their products at Kohima in Nagaland due to a land controversy between a people of Southern Angami and Mao village. Subsequently, various valley-based women, civil society and students' organization of the state jointly initiated the Mao market in Imphal. Speaking to media, committee chairman Baisi Mao expressed gratitude for the warm reception extended to Mao vendors by valley residents of the state. Acknowledging the essence of Ningol Chakoba festival, Baisi Mao asserted that he will try to initiate Ningol Chakoba celebration at Mao.
Chahi mari asi akoi continuous mau gi miyam phal da la ga podium ba kanda ngasi phawda any kind of akoi pam da ba negative adu makhal gi problem ba ta ngasi phawda laite hadna idi loje aduna madugi thajaba madugi sense of belongingness mau gi dingol mayam na tapak ta la ba kanda kaishu abujiti karisu khandra ba han madadi kampo pe da problem leramba adegidi police na disturb toromba adu mo mayam khara leramba da yam tirambado hojiti mayam sina la ka da tampaki lamsisu mau ga ja mana kay hadna wakanda security gi wakanda numai ba ma pau adumai tawduna ekoi su mau chat da mo da su akoi da ba numai ta ba ina da ba masi mau market na achauba amna phajaba ekoi gi akoi maseni marakta nusina bagi bari se hojik su still hill amadi valley da leriba people singi leriba relation of love affection
Manipuri diasporas in South Korea celebrated Ningol Chakoba and Jabangkut with traditional fervor and gaiety on November 2nd. Korea Manipuri Association organized the event on the theme Hills and Valley Are One at Lake Town Pension House in Engcheon City. Some tears in Ningol Chakoba meal was followed by dance and song performances of Jabangkut. State Health Department organized an awareness program on Prime Minister Jan Arogya Yojana (PMJAY) and Chief Minister Gi Hakshal Gi Tengbang (CMHT) schemes under the initiative of Keshamthong MLA cum Health Minister Langpo Lakpam Jayantakumar at Keshamthong Hodam Lairak Community Hall today. People of Ward number 11 in Keshamthong constituency were enrolled under the schemes at the event. Speaking to media, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar said that DCs concerned will conduct special inspection to identify people under below poverty line who are being deprived of CMHT scheme to avail the same. He expressed contentment that Keshamthong constituency has the highest enrollment rate under PMJY and CMHT schemes in the state. He maintained that today's enrollment in Ward number 11 is the final enrollment in the constituency. He added that awareness and enrollment programs for Ward number 9, 12 and 13 of the constituency were carried out earlier. Health Minister Langpo Lakpam Jayantakumar stressed the need to raise awareness and enrollments under the schemes among the hilly residents. Later, the Keshamthong MLA also inspected various developmental undertakings in the constituency.
Me say karino have dagen me do di imung do di tatina lahira bani di khang am justified oibo karma sabi badi am la khogi tangai bade badi oibo dum khal kangbu oibo targadi masi khoina kari mung tokge ha gadi sire da chumba enroll toba makhal process da sigma makhal gi om chiba category di le makhal kangbu singse masi gi dc da chi am ikalane ado dc na inquiry am family du chalaga aina magi stc na takan sdo na takan karano office am deputy toraga ha imung si da laidi ba kangbu singse masi report tor kui matungina masi gi criteria myam chandra phawuda aseng bagi health card pibada tangai bada makal imung oibra laira oibra hase adu verify torakanda makhoin che se directorate health service tong piraga mater card sabiya da hai makal pot se hane laira manate anu makal new concept ni
109 Battalion of Central Reserve Police Force CRPF Mongsangai conducted civic action program at Mongsangai Community Hall today. Battalion presented sewing machines to 13 widows in and around Mongsangai on the occasion. Cultural dance performances by young girls of the area in traditional attires enthralled the attendees. Speaking on the occasion, Commandant of the battalion, Vinod Kumar, said that the battalion has been organizing various civic action programs with an aim to bring social welfare and enhance ties with the public. He maintained that they have been extending help to the old age home and mental development home in Mongsangai and will continue to do so even in the future. Adaksha of Imphal West, R.K. Taruni, elderly people and women folks of the area attended the event.
We are helping the people by different means. Even during the summer season, we provide the water also, and during the rainy season, we give the we do the fogging in the area to save the people from the Japanese encephalitis, dengue, and malaria, etc. We have an old age home here in the Mongsangai area, just only few hundred meters from this location, and almost my unit has adopted that one. And one mentally handicapped children's school is also located in this area, and we have also adopted that one. We help from all resources we have. This is a very good occasion for me to connect with the people. Grateful to the people, they give this opportunity to serve them, and the response is overwhelming.
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Tripura Revenue Minister N.C. Debarma assured of necessary assistance from Tripura government in building Manipur guest house in Tripura. High Court of Manipur grants bail to jailed founder of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, P.H. Landoni, and her daughter, P.H. Romita. And NPCC criticizes ruling party MLAs, demands special assembly session to resolve on protection of Manipur from threat by outcome of Naga peace talks.